Thank you, Becker sir, for the nice introduction. Hope my slide is visible, sir. It's moving also? Okay. So when we hear the term generative AI, everybody's mind will be filled with ChatGPT or Gemini, right? Both ChatGPT and Gemini are text-based AI tools. Actually, we have image generation tools, audio generation tools, video generation tools. Today's agenda of the presentation, Gen AI introduction, application of Gen AI, popular Gen AI tools, machine learning introduction, then image generation tools, if time permits, demo of image generation tools, video generation tools, audio generation tools, then some tools for research and presentation creation tools, then ethical consideration of Gen AI. So as we all know, generative AI is the subset of deep learning. Deep learning is the subset of machine learning, and machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence. So generative AI generates new text, audio, images, video, or code based on the content it has been pre-trained on it. I think all of you remember the full form of GPT, ChatGPT. GPT is generative pre-trained transformers. So in Gen AI or in every AI, the first step is learning from data. After learning from the data, they can find the logic, and from that logic, they can generate new contents in Gen AI. They can generate new applications. This is the top 8 future technology trends that we should know. In this, artificial intelligence has first place. This is top AI technology trends in 2024. In this, generative AI has in the first place. So these are the applications of AI. It is healthcare has applications of AI, automobile, finance, surveillance. Every field has AI applications. These are some of the top generative AI tools. ChatGPT. Some of the tools you may be familiar, Gamma, these kinds of tools. Do you know how many tools are available nowadays? It is more than 1,500 tools are available. From startup companies to multinational companies like OpenAI, Google, Amazon are generating so many AI tools. These AI tools help us to our daily life very smoothly. This Alice and Sparkle book is the first book written using ChatGPT, and the images are drawn using an image generation tool called Midjourney. Actually, this book is available in the Amazon. Now, this is the classification of different kinds of
book, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello,
me?
name of the book, ma'am, please.
Alice and Sparkle. That is it visible or not?
Mm.
Alice and Sparkle.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay, this is the classification of different kinds of generative AI tools. For elicit connected papers, research rabbit are the popular tools which helps in the research field. We can generate presentations using GPT-4 slides, magic slides, gamma, etc. So for audio transcriptions, we can use Happy Scribe, Dictionary.io, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity AI, Pop AI, etc. are helping our writing and search assistants. Video content transcriptions, we are using HapScribe, Glass, etc. For creating images from the text, we are using DALI E2, DALI E3, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, etc. For programming code, we can use ChatGPT, Copilot, Source AI tools. For testing the environments, Replicate and Hugging Face. For detecting the plagiarisms, mode in OpenAI API key. So, as I told initially, generative AI is the subset of machine learning. To understand the concept of machine learning, understand the concept of generative AI, we should know some basics of machine learning. In traditional programming, we are giving data as well as program to the computer and we get the output. In machine learning, we give data and output to the computer and we get the logic or the program. Suppose we want to find the number 1050 is even or odd. We know the logic. Everybody knows the logic. If the number is divisible by 2, the number is even, otherwise it is odd. So in traditional programming, what we are giving? We are giving the input 1050 as the data to the computer as well as we are giving the logic. That is the number is divisible by 2 or not. But in machine learning, what we are giving, instead of giving the logic, I am inputting 1 odd, 2 even, 3 odd, up to suppose say, I must say up to 750 I am saying. So for each number I am saying, I am inputting the output 750 as even, 550 as even, 551 as odd. Such kind of data we are inputting to the system. From the data, the computer or the system find the logic. The system can understand the logic is if the number is divisible by 2, then it is odd, otherwise it is even. So that logic is applied to the new input. That is, if we give 1050 to the machine learning system will say that this is even. This is, so I will say another example. We are giving a set of numbers 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 6. And if you want to give another pair, that is 5 question mark, definitely we can easily find that it is 25 because the second number is the square of the first number. So finding the logic is called machine learning. So how do we teach kids? This father is teaching the son elephant. Father is showing 4 pictures of elephant. This is elephant, this is elephant, this is elephant. Likewise, father is teaching the kid. Then after teaching, he is showing another picture of elephant and asking the name of the animal. Definitely the kid will say that this is elephant, right? Again, father is showing another picture. In this, actually, this elephant is in a deep forest. Sometimes kid may make mistake. Then if the kid make mistake, what we will do? We will retrain it. The father will show some more elephants pictures, and again the father will retrain the kid. So this is our life cycle, that is training, validating and retraining. This is the basics of every AI, every machine learning techniques, training, validating and retraining. So our GPT is pre-trained model. This is the step, training, validation and retraining. So now we are moving to the image generation AI tools. These are the popularly used image generation tools: DALI, 2E3, FreePix AI, Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, Jasper Art, Jasper Cliptrop. So Mahatma Gandhi is saluting our nation on Republic Day parade. This is the first picture, and next one I have given the prompt as a cat sitting in an apple tree. So I got the second picture. So whatever I have given, whatever we give to the Gen AI tool, that input is called prompt. I want another picture. Woman realistic with a diamond face, wings of an angel dressed in leaves. So I got this picture. What a beautiful picture. Whether it is realistic or not, then again I have given another prompt, another input. I need the picture of an elephant with the face as the cow's face, and it has the 8 legs, the body of a lion. Then Dali had given this picture to me. So what we can do with image generation tools, actually we can generate images from the text as we have seen earlier. Then from scene graph to image, we can generate panoramic images. That means we can generate images from images captured from multiple point of views. Then if we give the layout or sketch, we can generate image. So this is the simple image I have generated, a cat sitting in an apple tree. Actually, in the same picture, I can give some effects by using prompt enhancer tool. I think you can see this prompt enhancer tool. I can select the mode, I can select the size, number of images needed, framings. Based on this, I got another picture. So whatever way, actually, 4 pictures is generated. I have removed 2 pictures from this. Next, generative fill. Generative fill is another option in in most of the image generation tools. We can change the color of the dress. We can remove the background. We can add separate background. We can add an object using this generative fill option in image generation tools. In this generative fill of, there are 3 options: insert, remove and expand. If we click on the insert option, we will see a set of prompt. Okay, in generative fill option, there are three other options: insert, remove, and expand. Insert option, insert option. If we click on the insert option, a prompt is a prompt with the window is generated. In that prompt window, we can give the input that we want to give. Change the shirt color to yellow. So I selected the shirt and given the prompt, change the shirt color to yellow. Then now the Nehru's shirt is changed to yellow color. I have generated.
Madam, have a glass of water.
Okay, sir, no problem. Okay, another, I have generated a beautiful garden picture. In that, suppose I want to generate some sunflowers in this generative fill option. So, in this case also I can use generative fill. So, this is the output of generative fill. So, actually, I worked out in the morning because it takes some time. That's why you can also work out after the class. These tools are simple. Only thing is that you have to know the options. What are the options available? This is another example where I have given a long prompt. From using this prompt, I have generated 4 images. Using generative autofill option, Gandhiji's shirt color is changed to yellow. Again, Gandhiji's shirt color is changed to pink. Then I have added one earring here. Remove the background. We have another option called expand. Either we can expand to widescreen or landscape or portrait. Then in Adobe Firefly, there is another option called template generation. We can generate the templates using text to template option. We can generate any kind of wedding cards, any kind of cards, brochures, flyers, even resumes we can generate. This is another option. This is I simply inputted that I want a flyer of international e-conference hosted by Shri Kumarswami Mahavidyalaya also. Then they have given so many templates. From that I have taken a one. Next, in Adobe Firefly, text effects, different kinds of text effects we can take. This is a sample resume I have generated using Adobe Firefly image generation tool. This poster is generated using Adobe Firefly. Jasper is another AI tool, another image generation tool, Jasper AI. We can generate arts, create an artwork for clay modeling. Using this Jasper, I have created these artworks. Then ClipDrop is another image generation tool. We can change, we can reimagine the images. Here in the first figure, in the table there was no plant is there, so plant is added, some books are added. So such kind of reimaginations done with the ClipDrop. Next we can go with the audio generation tools. We can generate audio from the text, we can generate music, we can generate This is tuner.voice mode. Voice mode is another tool, is one of the tool for music generation. I have given the prompt. I'm Sony. I work as an assistant professor at Model Engineering College. So we can see the music.
I'm Dr. Sony. I work as an assistant professor at Model Engineering College, Kochi.
Will you be able to hear it? Yes, okay.
I'm Dr. Sony.
So text to song, we can give lyrics. From that lyrics, we can generate the song. I have given this text.
Chubby cheeks, dimple, chin, nosy lips, teeth, waving curly hair, very fair. Voice up.
Then another is an image generation tools. There are several image generation tools. It takes time. That's why I have generated one image generation tools. The only thing is that you have to log in using any of your Google account. Then either you can select your own photo or you can select the avatars available in the tool. Then you have to give either text or audio for the video generation. These are the steps you can follow.
Hello, my dear. I am Sony. I work as an assistant professor in Govt Model Engineering College. Govt Model Engineering College is one among the 9 IHRD engineering colleges in Kerala. I am proud to be the part of IHRD. Hello, my dear.
We can generate different kinds of musics using Beethoven AI. You can try it out. Then we can go with the research tools. Elicit is one of the most popular research track data from PDFs. So you can give the prompt here. I have given the prompt explainable AI articles published after 2021. So I got a list of articles. These are the citations. Hansen 2022, Soliman 2023. They have in this tool we can summarize the articles. We can find the research findings, what are the pros and cons of each articles, and we can list these things in a table format. This is very useful tool. Another tool is connected papers. In connected papers, we can see what all papers are connected to a particular article. Actually, the original paper I had given an intuitionistic fuzzy-based intelligence system. So we can see which all papers this author has referred, which all articles are cited. These things we can get from this connected papers. Then mentally is another side. I think most of you teachers maybe non this mentally we can add the content to the mentally. There is an option called add new from using either manually or we can insert from the files from the computer or by importing the libraries like .bib files, or we can import, or manually we can enter. After importing, we can cite if the mentally is already add on to the Microsoft Word, then you will see an icon like this. Then you can click on the mentally site. Then you can select which all articles you want to cite. Click on the articles and then click OK button. Then directly it is cited. LSTM is explained in. Likewise, it is explained. This is also very useful tool for teachers as well as students. Then in mentally we can change the citation settings, either API format or Chicago format, which style, IEEE format, which style we want to we want, we can change it. Then another useful tool is Gamma tool. We can generate presentations by simply giving a simple content. We can generate. This is the there are three options. We can paste in text or generate or import files. This is one slide I have generated today. After generating, there is one option called present option. From this, we can export it. Either we can export as a PDF or PPT is available. These are some of the popularly used writing and search assistance tools. Then Perplexity is another important tool. Before we go, we can have some demo on hope everybody can see. Welcome to Gamma page. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we can click on click on okay, then you click on generate button. Simply I am putting generate a PPT on generate a PPT on generative AI tools. So initially we can generate the outline. They had given introduction to Gen AI, what is Gen AI tools. If we want to change, we can generate change. Otherwise, we can go with continue. Then we can select a theme from here. We can select any theme. Then we can click on generate button. See how fast it is coming. The contents, how fast it is coming. So then click on export tool. I can export it as PDF. Once it is ready, they will send the PPT to our mail ID once it is ready. Now it is exporting. Even the presentation tool is a text-based tool. It takes time. Actually, music and video generation tools are also. We can see, we can show the demo, but the problem is that it takes time. So this is the generative AI tool. Hope it is visible to all of you. Generative AI, a new era of creativity. See, yes. Then another interesting site I can show you. HTTP, find my AI tools. This is a, so you can click on the categories, you can see more than 1500 different categories of tools are available for copyright. In copywriting, these many tools are available. For image, this is also a useful tool for everyone. For image, creating avatars, creating art, image editing, logo generator. So there are so many tools are available. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. Then next is AI Bharat models. Actually, IIT Madras has introduced Bharat models here. Translation, speech to text conversion, text to speech, etc. are available in these models. It is developed by IIT Madras. I think you can try out these things. Thank you everyone for the patient listening. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the nice words.
Good evening, ma'am, and good evening, all of you. Thank you, Honorable Principal Dr. M.M. Bedkar, sir, Chief Organizer of this conference, Prashant Ugade, sir, and Dr. Prakash Karad, sir, convener of this conference. Thank you so much, ma'am. You have made a very nice presentation, and this lecture is very informative and knowledgeable. This session is very excellent. I have some question, ma'am. First question is, what are the most popular generative artificial intelligence tools? Give me one example of that artificial tools.
Sir, the most popular AI tool is none other than ChatGPT itself. Even Gemini is also in the second place. But for each and every purpose, the tool is different. If we want to do something with the image, we can go with Midjourney. If you want to generate video, we can go with the DID tools. So for the first tool, actually the first popular tool is OpenAI's ChatGPT tool actually. For each and every applications, we can have different kinds of tools.
I think that your explanation is very wonderful and excellent. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you, Honorable Principal Dr. M.M. Bedkar, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, good evening, Dr. Bedkar sir, Principal sir, Prashant sir, and good evening, ma'am. Wonderful presentation you have made, and no doubt it is now what we can say. AI is becoming part of our life, and one has to realize the potential of this AI. So yes, definitely it can be used for great purposes. I remember, during the forensic medicine in our departments, where the way we want to find out some person culprit, someone gives the features of that person's facial features, and they used to draw this. But I think this AI will become, they will make it very easy. I think we don't have to waste much time in that. So I think, and we are going for the fingerprints examination and superimposing that fingerprints. So I think that will also become very easy for AI. So various departments it can be used, and we have to think in our own perspective. Everyone has their own perspective. So that is a very, very great thing. Yes, definitely today we could learn a number of, you had given a list of so many AI. Yeah, we are very familiar with Chat GPT, but not yet with other things. Gamma, I like that. So I will try that Gamma also. And most of them are paid also. So yes, definitely if it is useful, worth, we can go for that also. So that is a great thing. My question is, I was searching, since last near about 1 week. I want one AI which will make a tabulation for me. I tried a lot spend near about 1.5 hours to find out, if they can give me some ideas. I will be giving simple input, and I want they will prepare a very easy and comprehensive tabulation, because complexity is there. If suppose I'm making it it becomes little complex. But I think AI is having that kind of dimension. So which tool you will suggest? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the nice verse. Sir, in AI, I think Excel, in Microsoft Excel, there is a button called add-on button, and you can use the add-on. Then you will see a list of AI tools for Microsoft Excel.
In a file or somewhere I will search.
Sir?
Where I will get this add-on? Exactly where I will get this add-on?
Sir, I will share the...
Yeah.
Sir, I think you can see my book one, Excel. Yes. Yeah, there are the automate content. Actually, I have installed the using add-on automate content. GPT for Excel Word is there. Spreadsheet AI chatbot. These all things are available, sir.
Yeah, Excel to Word automation you have mentioned, and submit content. Yeah, okay. I will try. Definitely, I will try, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sir, so many add-ons we can install. Actually, simply click on, even in Word also we can install these kinds of automation tools.
Yeah. Okay.
In Word,
Out. And if there is any difficulty,
some options are available. Add in buttons. Sir, can you see the add in button here?
Yeah.
Yeah, that add in button, you can install So many things are there, sir. Whatever you want, you can add, you can use it.
Yeah, but we have to pay for this or free of cost?
Sir, some of them are paid. But if you have that much use, I think you go for a paid version. But free version are also available. Automate content, I think it is free.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nisha, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.